Continuing coverage of the Kelsey Berreth investigation now. We are digging deeper after Berreth's parents filed a wrongful death lawsuit against her accused murderer, Patrick Frazee. The Teller County Sheriff's Office served Patrick Frazee with that lawsuit today.
Yeah, and many of you have asked questions about this, what the family will gain, why file now, and much more. Our Sam Kramer taking a closer look tonight in studio with those answers. Sam.
Yeah, well, this type of lawsuit essentially accompanying a criminal case is rather common, and the plaintiffs have 2 years to file it under Colorado law. But this action is completely separate from the criminal side, though they'll likely depend on the same information. His court battle is already expected to be lengthy. Now Patrick Frazee is being sued by Cheryl and Daryl Berreth for damages starting at $75,000 related to the presumed murder of their daughter and Frazee's fiance, Kelsey Berreth.
They were trying to do, I'm sure, is get answers, hold someone accountable, try to find some sense of healing, and that is going to be a long journey, and this is just one kind of path along that journey.
It's a move David McDivitt, vice president of McDivitt Law Firm, says isn't just focused on money, noting Frazee's defense attorney is a public defender. The family is likely seeking closure, too.
It's about getting answers, and to the extent that something kind of falls through the crack in the criminal case, the family might think the burden is a little bit lower in a civil matter as well.
The lawsuit stands on 4 main allegations: wrongful death, negligence, civil conspiracy, and intentional infliction of emotional distress, alleging Frazee caused physical, emotional, and mental harm on Berreth before, during, and after her presumed death. The case likely hinges on the criminal case's discovery of evidence, and prosecutors can decide whether to share that information, but don't expect Frazee to agree to an interview.
You're allowed to depose the person that you're suing, and if there's an ongoing criminal case, that person's not likely going to sit for deposition.
Exercising his Fifth Amendment right to refuse answering questions to avoid incriminating himself. Now, Frazee has 21 days to respond to the complaint. If he chooses not to, he's essentially found guilty in order to pay the demanded relief. Always watching out for you, Southern Colorado. I'm Sam Kramer, News 5.
Thanks, Sam.